Hi there, Chris here. So I have this Legge Insurance 5-lever padlock, and I have never been able to pick it. It seems like I have trouble tensioning it. But I thought I'd show it on camera and ask if anyone has seen anybody pick one of these. That's what it looks like. Works very smooth. See if we can see anything inside. No, it's one of those that you can't see anything. Nada. Alright, so I'm going to try the R&B tool. Oh, I don't know if it fits this. Oh, it does. Okay. Get comfortable. This probably should have some popcorn for this one. Just never feels like it's tensioned correctly. It feels okay until you start picking it, and then it just doesn't behave. Which is kind of cool, you know, figure it out. Maybe I need to try the 2-wire, the 2-pick wire tension. Tension with a pick wire and pick with a pick wire. But I don't get any real sets. Let's try UK lock pickers tool. If that'll fit in there. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, that stops there. This stops farther. I wonder if that matters. Let's take a look at this. The thickness, the UK is slightly thicker, slightly smaller. What about the cabinet one? I don't think this is gonna fit. It's kind of the same dimensions under, and I'll bet it just spins around. Well, when I first stuck it in, it stopped right there, but then it's kind of weird because it feels springy. Shouldn't feel springy. All right, just do that. No. Back to this. See, that's where the key stops, and that's where that stops. It is slightly not as tall, so maybe it's falling deeper into the bolt notch. All right, quit screwing around and put something in here. Do I have something to put in here? I would say that would be the one to use. And this is a shorter, stouter one, if I can get the clearance. It is kind of tight to get through there. Let's just try it real quick. Yeah, I can get through there. Just one little slight movement, but everything else is springy. Like majorly springy. I've asked a few people if they've seen these, and nobody's seen it, this lock. So it'd be nice to get it open, and maybe this is the first time on YouTube for this guy. Let's try something else. We'll put in Andy Mack here. I'm just not really getting the feel. If you've picked lever locks, you know, you get, after a while, you get a little bit of feel like, okay, I'm making progress. I can feel little movements, or I'm finding the false gate levers. Here, I'm a fish out of water. Look out. I do like locks with a lot of feedback, no matter what kind they are. I wonder if this is a 6-minute, you just keep doing this and eventually it pops. I don't know if I have the perseverance for that. I'm not Murloc. And if you release, you don't feel anything. So anyway, there's a fail, but it's a very cool lock. Legge Insurance, 5-lever. And it doesn't have anything else but this on it, I don't think, hardened. Nothing there, nothing on the bottom, nothing coming around, and nothing there. Anyway, if you know anything about this, give me a comment. Some of my UK experts. Anyway, thanks for watching. You can't pick them all. You can't pick all the locks all the time. So we will see you next time.